All right, it's been a while, but we're back with the Beamer, and today I'm gonna try to get the trans on.
Denied.
So that's a pretty good place to get to because it won't feel sharp. But first we gotta get those pins in. I already got 2 in right here, and we got 2 more. We have to go down this line, and basically with these pins, as I'll show you over here, when you put them in, the top part you could use a E7. And you put them in until you get to that little divider here, and that's it. And then you can put the nuts on there. So that's what we're going to do. I'll show you that when it's done because it's going to be a long and arduous journey. And yeah, then we can start getting the manifold, all the headers back on and go from there. Alright, so most of them are in. As you can see, we are missing a couple in a couple holes, and that's because this little variety pack I got only came with this amount. We're missing 7 in total. So if you do buy a pack like this, double up on it because you'll probably need extra. But luckily I had a bunch of old ones sitting around from the original one, and there's a couple of them that look pristine, so I'm gonna try to take the nuts off of those using some heat and a gun and go from there. And for the ones that I use up there, I use one of these tools, 90-degree ratchet, because you can't really over tighten or break anything with them because they don't have power, which is a good thing because you don't want to freaking break it in there. And I use an E7 bit inverted. So I'm gonna try this real quick. Use a little heat and heat some of these nuts off so I could reuse the studs. These are the best ones out of the whole pack, so I'll be trying that. We'll see how it goes. Okay, do make sure everything flammable is out of the way, and let's see if we can do one. Alright, let's give it a shot. So obviously I'm using a paper towel on the back so you don't hurt the threads. And I got a 7/16 here. Let's see if we can get it undone. We got it moving. Oh, easy. Heat is your best friend, let me tell you. Having a bottle of water always helps too. Oh yeah. Already cold. And we got 5 more to go. Day 2. It's a new day, and we got the headers in yesterday, and I have to give a big shout out to Angelo because he somehow did it and was able to put them in, which with these was weird. You had to put the small one in first, then the big one, like long tubes in general. So today our mission is to get that trans into this vehicle, and I'm gonna also show you guys how to install and put in a clutch for this, and that'll be the majority of this stuff pretty much done and out of the way. So we bought a MagnaFlow exhaust, so we're gonna get that started, and hopefully, like I said, my entire mission this weekend was just to get the trans in. So if we just do that today, you know, sweet. So let's get started. All right, so the flywheel's on. We use the bolts, which are 19mm. We put Loctite medium, so you can always break them off. You don't want this moving. So we got all of them out. These 2 that we punched in, we're going to take out right now and put some Loctite on, and then we'll get the whole setup back on there. Right, bud? So we didn't get the transmission on yet, but I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret I got. When I had my stroke, it was a month where there wasn't a lot of money, so I ended up creating some books here. If you want to check them out on Amazon, like notebooks, planners, diaries, that kind of stuff. Of course, it's not heavily priced. I even have one here to show you guys. Cars obviously in the front, and then some kind of city in the back I made. And this is kind of what's in his little planner. I write some of the stuff to do, what to do in it. And yeah, if you want, go check those out. Money will definitely help with the channel and the other projects and expansions I'm doing. So yeah, check it out. See ya.